Hi friends, this is activity 3 for math. Your learning goal is rounding to the nearest 10. The first thing we need to do is find our number on a number line. Our number is number 13. So what we are trying to figure out is when we are looking to round to the nearest 10, which nearest 10 is closer? How do we know? Here it says we're going to count down first. Okay, so we start at 13 and we count a certain amount of units to the nearest 10. So it's 1, 2, 3. That's 10. So it's 3 units from 13 to 10. Now let's try going up. So we're at 13 and we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the nearest 10, which is 20. So it's 7 units from 13 to 20, and we have to figure out which 10 is closer to 13. If we round down, we go to from 13 to 10 is only 3 units. If we round up, we have 7 units to the nearest 10, which is the 20. So if we compare, 3 units going down is closer to the next 10, then 7 units going up to the nearest 10. So we will round to 10 because 10 is closer to 13. For example 2, again, we're going to look at our number. Our number here is 15. We have to figure out, should we round up or round down, depending on how close the nearest 10 is. So let's start. 15, we're going to round down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get to the nearest 10. All right, so let's go to the next. We're going to round up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. So there are 5 units going down and 5 units going up to the nearest 10 on each side. So when your number falls in the middle, okay, you got the same amount of units going down as the same amount of units going up. The rule is to just round up to the nearest 10, which is number 20. So you'll just take a look at your activity. You take the number 34, and the question is 34 closer to 30 or 40? Again, remember, we just reviewed our rules. Start at number 34, you count starting going down, how many units going down to the nearest 10, which is that 30, or you go up and you count how many units you're going up to the nearest 10. And if the number is, say, going down, you only have 4 units going down and you have 10 units going up, well, guess what? The units with the least amount is going to be the closest. And that's where you're going to round to that number. So then you come in and you answer those questions. How many units from 34 to 30? How many units from 34 to 40? And you answer the questions. Is 34, which number is 34 closest to? And what number are you going to round 34 to? And then you're done.